How to use authentication credentials for Python database connections. Imagine trying to access a secure vault without the right key. Connecting to a database in Python is similar. You need the correct credentials to gain entry. When working with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, you must provide a username and password to authenticate your connection. This process is essential for keeping your data safe and ensuring only authorized users can access it. First, understand that each database has its own way of accepting credentials. For MySQL, you typically use the PyMySQL library. For PostgreSQL, the scikit-2 library is common. MongoDB often uses PyMongo. When establishing a connection, you include your username and password as parameters in the connection function. For example, with PyMySQL, you write, import PyMySQL, then create a connection object with host, user, password, and database details. Similarly, with PyMongo, you can embed your credentials directly into the connection URI, like MongoDB, //username, password at host, port /dbname. It's very important to keep your credentials secure. Avoid hard-coding them directly into your scripts. Instead, store your username and password in environment variables or configuration files with restricted access. You can also prompt for credentials at runtime, which keeps them out of your code. This way, your passwords stay private and reduce the risk of accidental exposure. When managing passwords, use secure hashing algorithms like bcrypt or passlib. Never store or transmit plaintext passwords. Hash passwords before storing them in your database and verify hashes during login. This adds an extra layer of security. Some cloud databases support token-based or IAM authentication, which means you can use temporary tokens instead of static passwords. For example, AWS RDS allows generating an authentication token with the Bodo3 library, which you then use as your password in your connection. Always enable SSL or TLS encryption when connecting to your database. This encrypts data in transit, including your credentials, making it harder for others to intercept sensitive information. When writing queries, use prepared statements or parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection attacks. This keeps your database safe from malicious input. To summarize, securely store your credentials, pass them correctly when connecting, use encryption, and follow best practices for password management. This way, your Python applications can connect to databases safely and reliably, keeping your data protected while enabling smooth application development.